Hello, welcome. So in this video I'm going to talk about the code base and how to get the best from it. Um, well, every problem that has been treated or that's been treated in this code, in this repository, in this code base, they are all summarized here. 2 sum, h index, m squared. These are like at the beginning of the repository, so it might be different when you're different than when you're watching this, right? Okay, so I want to really show you an example case. So I took a problem from kickstart, a sample problem. It's part of the practice problem from 2021. So you can see the description here, which is what I said. We get a brief description in each of these files about the problem. So problem statements are briefly stated, and then the links to the sources, the area where the problem was gotten from. For instance, this is the link to the actual problem statement in Google Kickstart, and if I clicked on that, it should take me to the page. But I already have that open, so I'm just gonna show you that. So you can see the same link, right? And you can look at the problem statement and problem that I was on this tab, but this is where the problem statement is. This is where the link will take you to, and you can read the problem statement and have a better understanding than what was briefly stated here. So this is a simple problem about splitting candies. I don't know how else to say it in like the easiest way, or splitting candies among kids, right? It's a simple modulus problem, but the tricky part here is that the structure of the input and the output is not stated here, so the information is definitely what you see here. You get the number of test cases, the number of candy bags, and the number of kids, then the amount of candies in the candy bags, and then this is the second test case. So this is the first test case, second test case. So with this information also to determine the remainder candy after sharing all of these candies to these 3 kids. I think it's it, right? Okay, so just simple code. I got the test case, number of test cases, looked through number of test cases, read the 2 inputs, which is number of candy bags and number of kids, and got the total number of candies in each of these candy bags, and then just found the remainder, right? I did dividing the total by the number of kids, and print. The output has to be in this form. That's just a requirement. So if you, once you do this in your code, you run the test case, which essentially reads, when you look into this briefly, essentially reads the input from a path. All it's simply doing is trying to get this file, right? So it's trying to read this input file and then read this output file and pass this input to your program, right? And then test the output from your program against the expected output. So if they match, then your program passes. And same goes for this. Just the catch here is that we set a timer, because there are limits to this. A timer of 40 seconds. So if you exceed, the program runs longer, it definitely doesn't meet the criteria. One other thing I haven't done as of this time is the memory limit, which I would do, and that might be included in the code you're looking at presently. Okay, so that's it. I think that's pretty simple. Now, if you notice, this test set is grayed out, meaning I don't upload it because it's huge. So you have to download them yourself. So to do that, obviously the same site I visited, you can get the test set. So under the analysis tab, right at the end, we can download this. I've already done that, I'm going to do it again. So once you download, you get a zip file. So what you're supposed to do is extract this particular folder to the test folder in sorry, I'm going to the wrong place. So also extract this folder to the test folder here and place it right after the sample test, or just place it in this folder, because for this particular challenge I'm calling it Kickstart Challenge 1. It could have a different name in the future. I don't know which one I stick with, but I feel with this video you can always check what part is used in the test and simply place the missing test in such folders, and that's it. That's all. So have fun, enjoy going through other more challenging problems in this code base, and bye.